cans of Mountain Dew we can drink in only 3 minutes. We've done Coca-Cola, we've done Pepsi, and we've done Coke and Pepsi together. So it only feels right to do Mountain Dew, the drink made for gamers, specifically made for gamers and stuff like that. Like they literally have Call of Duty like advertising on the box there. This will be the most Mountain Dew you guys have ever seen a human being consume in their entire life in just only 3 minutes. So smash that like button down below. You guys already know what it is. For some reason, I know people who love Mountain Dew, like this specific flavor right here, when there's literally like a billion flavors out there. So like if you love Mountain Dew, just spam the comments down below with your favorite flavor. So let's open her up. I don't know about you guys, but like this specific flavor right here, the original Mountain Dew, I like to call this flavor dish soap because that's exactly what it tastes like. It tastes like dish soap. There's like a billion flavors out there, so like why is your favorite flavor original? Just don't. But we're just gonna stick with the dish soap here for today. Traditional original flavor. Alright, so we have all 12 cans laid out for you guys right here. Each can I drink, I'm just gonna put it like right behind like all of these cans right here. It is time to see how many cans of dish soap we can drink in just under 3 minutes. In 3, 2, 1, go! Ooh. Ooh. Alright, 6 cans. Oh, that's dish soap. Oh god, so disgusting. Right, 8 can. Oh my god. Time. Oh my god, that tastes so weird. That is indeed dish soap right there. Guys, there we have it. It's 8 12-ounce cans of Mountain Dew in 3 minutes. On that 7th one, it was like a huge gas bubble. Took a while to like get it out and stuff, but we did it. Count, we have 4 left from a 12-pack. Honestly, besides this tasting like dish soap and stuff, I don't feel too bad. But if you guys enjoyed this video and you guys want more of Mountain Dew, we did an entire gallon of Mountain Dew. That video was insane. So if you guys want to see how fast I can take down 1 gallon of Mountain Dew, make sure you guys click the link down below in the description. And if you are not already subscribed, make sure you guys are subscribed. Share the video with your friends. Share all the videos and stuff. Love you guys so much for all the love and support. We're getting so close to 10,000. So like, appreciate you guys so much. But it has been real for Mountain Dew. I'm gonna end off the video right there. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like this video if you enjoyed. Also share, subscribe if you're new. Stay lit, and as always, see you guys on the next one. We are bro.